The culture here at AMXS is very diverse. I mean, we get people from C-17s, fighters, bombers, APCS here, and their experience and some of their skills that they've learned at other places and other aircrafts they come here also. Being a section chief, I deal with every aspect of people.
Yeah, so I've been with 317th AMXS for 4 years now. You know, being in charge of other people, it's hard, but it's satisfying at the same time, you know, because you get to pass your knowledge on to other people and you get to show them like what you've learned over the years and how to overcome this obstacle, you know, if you're troubleshooting and like you don't have anywhere else to go.
We have about approximately 580 people, so we are the biggest unit on base. So we play a vital role in transportation, cargo, delivery of supplies, people all over the world to AORs and FOBs across the nation, all across the globe, pretty much. Right now, currently, we are getting ready and vamping up for one of the biggest deployment swap outs in our wing history. We've named it 412 for a reason. You're deployed for 4 months. You're supposed to be home for 12 months. So we're in the transition of doing that in the coming weeks.
You know, no matter what, you can't give up on a job, especially in like a deployed location. You know, if you can't figure this out, then somebody could die because you can't get this plane generated. I've deployed to Bagram. The experience was so awesome. You know, the camaraderie that you get with everybody that you deployed with. You know, you never find that anywhere else. The relationships that you build with people over there. You know, it's like you literally cannot find that anywhere else. I can't really explain it to somebody that's never been deployed, but for those who have been deployed, they'll know exactly what I'm talking about. You know, like, yeah, you know, I'm just gonna tighten down this bolt, but if I didn't tighten down this bolt, then this plane wouldn't be able to fly.